These are the Forex brokers based in the UK that have the lowest spreads. I'm Noam.
And I'm Justin. We've been comparing Forex brokers for over a decade now, and we've been looking into the latest when it comes to Forex and CFD trading insights.
In this video, we're going to go over the Forex brokers that have FCA regulation in the UK, boasting the lowest spreads. All right, Justin, 2025, a key category that we always look at when it comes time to creating videos and also writing reviews is about the brokers that offer the lowest fees or the lowest spreads. We're obviously going to cover that off in this video. Today we're specifically looking at brokers that are FCA regulated, so based in the UK and regulated by the local regulator there, that boast the lowest spreads, okay? We have three brokers, starting with the first broker. Who did we think had the lowest spreads in the UK in 2025?
Sure, so this is the second year in a row that Pepperstone is the winner when it comes to lowest spreads. You don't have to take my word for it. Look at our website. We have a spread module which has the average spreads of each broker. We update that each month, and Pepperstone has consistently for about 20 months in a row had the lowest spreads for their raw account. So just for reference, a raw train account, also known as an ECN, has a commission rate, of which Pepperstone has a pound commission rate, which is important because you don't want trading fees, which is very reasonable. And then when it comes to actual spreads, have some of the lowest spreads, which is what essentially you're looking for. So we're looking at spreads on the most traded currency pairs, so the Euro, USD, and you can see all of the different brokers with FCA regulation, and Pepperstone are generally the lowest for most of them. They also have really low spreads when it comes to things like shares, when it comes to commodities, and all these other kind of exotics. So it's pretty self-explanatory, and this only applies to the raw account. We're going to talk about standard account later on because we're not recommending them for that standard account, but most UK traders will choose a raw account, and we actually have in our methodology a page about the raw account versus standard. And long story short, the raw account gives you lower fees. So if fees are your main objective, if you're looking for an FCA regulated broker, Pepperstone won best customer service and most satisfied traders, you can understand why we'd be going for Pepperstone.
Okay, so that's Pepperstone at number one for the lowest spread for the raw account in the UK. At number two on our list, they certainly have rocketed up the charts this year, is Eightcap. Why Eightcap?
So we're very excited. This is the first time that we've put Eightcap into this category because Eightcap only last year received their FCA license. So now they are licensed to onboard UK traders. Previous to that, they had only a general European SISEC license, so obviously big tick. So why is Eightcap listed second? Why are they growing so fast globally? And that's because Eightcap go for a wider range of markets, and they offer lower spreads on those additional products. So don't get me wrong, if you just plan to trade currencies, Pepperstone's a winner. They're going to have you the best spreads. But if you're looking to trade some of these more exotic, maybe currencies, if you're looking to do lesser known shares that you want to trade as a CFD, etc., that is Eightcap's sweet spot. So they offer the widest range of markets of any FCA regulated broker, and then on these additional markets they offer low spreads. Because what's important to note is a lot of brokers may offer these additional markets, but because they're exotics, they'll hike the fees right up, and Eightcap don't do this. So you need to really understand, am I going to be doing a majority of trading on currencies, on the majors? Eightcap's a winner. Am I going to do less of that? Looking to trade a lot more of commodity shares, etc., or maybe more exotic currencies? That's when we say choose Eightcap. And just like Pepperstone, we're talking about the raw account, the commission plus spread. Once again, their commission rate, they've got the pound base, It's relatively the same as Pepperstone, so it's a commission it's a spread that's the key difference, and it's very low, and we measure that every single month. So now you understand the difference between these two brokers.
So that's Pepperstone at number one. They're the lowest spread Forex broker for people that are predominantly like trading Forex pairs. And then Eightcap at number two for trading everything else basically.
Exactly.
Okay, and then at number three on the list we had Oanda, also an FCA-regulated broker, also offering pretty competitive spreads in the UK. Why do we like Oanda?
Okay, so I just mentioned before, okay, raw spread account. That's what we've just looked at. So it has a spread and a commission. Oanda go the other way. Oanda don't offer that type of account. They offer a standard account, and a standard account has no commissions. So why would someone want that? Well, it's more towards beginner traders, and they want to just see the fees within the spread. So when they're trading, they don't have to say, hey, this will be my profit and loss. If I add a commission, they already know it's already in the system. So as I said, most beginners prefer the standard account. Oanda offer that trading account, and they offer the lowest spreads when it comes to that standard account. So it should be noted that Oanda in 2025 were awarded the most trusted broker. They have some of the best regulation, including in areas like the USA. They have amazing training and really good customer service, again, for that beginner to intermediate style. And they have their own trading platform, again, really well catered towards that beginner profile. So you understand the area. We're saying if you're new to trading, if you want the standard account, Oanda's the winner. If you're a bit more intermediate or advanced, we'd be talking more about the other two, Pepperstone or Eightcap.
Okay, so let's just summarize it all for everybody back home. At number three on the list, we had Oanda. Why?
Oanda's standard account for beginner traders.
Okay, at number two on the list, we had Eightcap. Why?
If you want to trade the widest range and want to keep your fees low while trading more exotics, I'd be going for Eightcap.
Okay, and at number one on the list, winning this award the second year running, is Pepperstone. Why Pepperstone?
If you're going to trade the most commonly traded kind of products such as currencies, Euro, USD, they've got the lowest spreads. They're also were named the 2025 best Forex broker overall. So with FCA regulation, they're the clear winner.
There you have it, guys. The best Forex brokers offering the lowest spreads as regulated by the FCA. If any of these brokers sound like they might be the right fit for you, we've attached links to each broker down below so you can proceed to sign up. We've also attached a link to this analysis, this review, so that you can read through it, to do a little bit more research in your own time. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't hesitate to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. If there are any videos you'd like us to create for you to aid you on your trading journey in 2025 and beyond, please don't hesitate to let us know in the comment section down below. Thanks so much for watching, guys.
Thank you.